Let's make yummy bottle gourd meat today. Take half kg mutton, 1 bottle gourd, 2 tomatoes, 1 onion, 1 potato. Cut all the veggies. Take 4 to 5 tablespoons oil in a pan and add onions sliced. Cook on high flame until golden brown. Then add ginger garlic paste 3 tablespoons. Fry on high flame. Add mutton. Cook until it's white. Then add chopped tomatoes. Two to 3 cloves. 4 to 5 black peppercorn. Whole button red chili 4 to 6. Coriander seeds 1 teaspoon. Salt 1 teaspoon. Turmeric powder 1 teaspoon. Cumin powder 2 tablespoons. Red chili powder 1 teaspoon. Coriander or curry powder 1 tablespoon. Chicken powder or cube optional. Add 3 cups water and let it cook for 1 hour until meat is tender. When meat is almost cooked, add lauki and potatoes cubes. Add 1 cup water and cook until everything is cooked. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves and green chilies.